This week we have been talking about place value in math. So I want you guys to work on place value with the idea of tens and ones. So if I look at this number 31 right here, I know that my 3 is in my tens place and my 1 is in my ones place. Okay? So you're going to go ahead and if it's in the tens place, you're going to move it into this column. And if it's in the ones place, you're going to move it in this column. So underline, this one right here is underlined. So this 31, if the 3 is underlined, I know I'm going to put that in the tens box, okay? I will tell you that for some reason, this box right here, 60, this one will not move. I'm not sure why, I just noticed it. So don't worry about 60, okay? But for the rest of them, you'll move them if it's underlined in the 10 spot. So if the 7 were underlined, I would put it right here. And the 9 is underlined, so I'm going to put it over here. So you'll go through and you'll sort those, putting them in the tens and the ones. Same thing for this slide over here. You're doing the same thing. For these two slides, you're going to color in the correct value of the digit, okay? So for this one, I'm going to show you for 79, the 7 is underlined. I know for 79 that the value of the digit is not 7. It's not just 7. The value of the digit is actually 70. So I'm going to move the marker over 70, okay? So for this one, 31 is the value 10 or 1. For 60 is the value 60. For 0 is the value 60 or 0. For 52 is the value 50 or 5. And then for 16 is the value 60 or 6 or 6. So you're going to move those markers over the correct one. You're going to do the same thing on this slide, okay? And if it helps, you need to think of the tens and the ones. So if it's over here, if the underline is on the first number, we know it's going to be one of the tens, right? So it's going to be 50. It's not just going to be 5. And then if the underline is over here on the second number, we know that it's going to be one of the ones. So it has to be a single digit number, just like 3. That is it for your math today. I hope that makes sense.